Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to upload your download that you received in your welcome email. So the first thing you want to do is go over to online store and go to import, upload zip file, select the file that was downloaded, and once it finished downloading or uploading, you want to publish. So it's going to look like this. It's blank. It doesn't have all the elements in it. That's something that you would have to add in the files and the images and the prompts are in the download email. So one of the things you could do is change the header. You select your own image. You can use ChatGPT to prompt an image. There are a few sample images, sample uploads, but you want to customize this as much as possible to make it your own. This is basically just a sample site to give you an idea of how it can look, but you want to be able to customize it, include your brand name, brand colors, everything that you like so that it fits you and your style. If the header doesn't fit, you can change the size. Let's see, to fit the image. When you're done, hit save and then go through everything over here to change the different elements, add the products, um, the different collections, and anything else that you need. You also want to go down to the settings and upload and change all your information, your personal information. All this needs to show your company information and your name. To add products, you go over here to products, add product, type in the name of the new ebook that you want it to be called, give a description, upload image, set your price, and hit save. Um, to add any apps, you go to this section here. Apps, you do need the digital download app, some sort of digital download app. It can be the one digital downloads, or it can be SkyPilot, or either one that you want to use. I personally use SkyPilot, but just pick one so that you can automatically have the file delivered to your customer without having to wait. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching.